Today we are talking about a key topic for anyone who earns money online through affiliate marketing. How to increase affiliate conversion rates. You may have traffic coming to your links, but getting visitors to actually buy is another challenge. Improving your conversion rate mean more sales and higher income without needing more traffic. So in this video, I will explain simple strategies and tools that you can use to get more conversions on your affiliate offers even if you are just starting out. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and online business. Today we are talking about how to turn more clicks into sales for your affiliate offer and get better results from your marketing efforts. I also placed special resources in the description to help you track and optimize your affiliate campaigns. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description. By using it, any tracking or optimization tools will be set up easily to improve your conversions automatically. Now, let's go into the main part of the video and talk about increasing affiliate conversion rates in a simple way. First, it is important to know your audience. Understanding who is visiting your website or content helps you to recommend the right products. If you promote products that your audience really needs or wants, they are more likely to buy it. Take time to study your audience's problems, preferences, and interests. This will allow you to match the best affiliate products with their needs and increase the conversions naturally. Next, focus on creating strong, honest content. People trust the recommendations when they feel authentic. Instead of just sharing a link, explain why you like the product, how it solves a problem, and give real examples. You can use tutorials, you can use reviews, or you can use the comparison videos to show the product in action. The more helpful your content is, the higher the chances people will click your link and purchase. Another effective strategy is using clear call to action. Tell your audience exactly what to do next. Phrases like click this link to get your discount or check out this tool to save time guide the visitors and make them take an action. Without clear guidance, many people may leave without completing the purchases. Tools can also help you to improve the conversion rates. For example, Thirstify affiliates or Pretty Links let you manage, shorten, and track the affiliate links easily. You can see which links are performing well and which need improvement. Tracking allows you to focus on the best performing products and strategies to increase the conversions. Using email marketing is another powerful method. Collecting emails and sending helpful content to your audience keeps them engaged. Automated email sequences can recommend affiliate products at the right time, improving the likelihood of purchases. Now, services like MailerLite or ActiveCampaign that makes it simple to set up the automated sequences that nurture your leads and increases the conversions over time. Another tip is improving landing pages. If you send visitors to a page with too much distraction or unclear information, they may leave without buying. Focus on clean, simple pages with clear benefits, images, and buttons that guide the visitors to take action. Testing different designs and layouts that can help you find what works best for your audience. Finally, consider bonuses or extra value. Offering something extra like a free guide, template, or helpful resources along with the affiliate product makes it more attractive. People feel they get more value, and this can significantly improve the conversion rates without additional cost to you. So, in simple word, increasing the affiliate conversion rates means knowing your audience, creating honest and helpful content, using clear call to action, tracking your links, using email sequences, optimizing landing pages, and offering extra value. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more simple affiliate marketing tips and strategies. Don't forget to use the special link in the description so your tools and benefit get applied automatically. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.